Hi guys, happy Friday. I have two things to say. First one being shout out to Constantine. I hope you had a great birthday yesterday. I was thinking of you and I hope you enjoyed your special day. Also, too, a shout out to our dear Miss Arlen. She has a birthday coming up, and I just want to wish you a happy, happy birthday and have a wonderful weekend celebrating with your family. So, mwah to both of you. Before we get into the video, I just want to wish you all a fabulous, fabulous weekend. And let's see what's coming up next week. Monday is my front porch tour. Front porch is finally decorated for fall. I got 4th of July taken down. Woohoo! And let's see what else. Well, possibly the fall home tour. I've got such a busy weekend. I've got homecoming and a cheer competition all tomorrow. It's going to be crazy. All right. I know what you guys are thinking. I'm a mind reader. You're saying, Liz, zip it. Get to the video. Gotcha. Let's do it. All right, this is a buffalo check tablecloth that I picked up from Walmart, and my idea was make my own valance using the tablecloth. And so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I picked up 2 rolls of black ribbon and a really cheap curtain rod. I decided to do my laundry room farmhouse style, reason being the cabinets in there are all white and my flooring is sort of farmhouse style. So I just thought it was more fitting. But what I plan to do is add a valance, and I'm going to hang it high to draw your eyes upward. I'm going to add 2 shelves on that big wall there and accessorize the top of the cabinets and the little cabinet where the sink is. That's what we're going to do today. You can definitely tell this room took a back seat to the rest of the house. So I'm going to get the curtain rod, the curtain clips, and my tablecloth, and we'll get started. By the way, I'm planning to hang my curtain rod up high so it draws your eyes up. So I'm using these Better Homes and Gardens drapery clips. I got these at Walmart, and so now I'm going to go put those up on the rod. All right, and this is what it looks like once I've got the rod hung. Now I'm going to go get my tablecloth. So here's the tablecloth I'm using, 60 by 84 rectangle. All right, let's get this hung. So I've laid this out on the floor, and now I'm simply going to take this side and fold it over to that edge, and that will make my valance nice and thick and substantial. And that's what it looks like. So I might try some ribbon, or I might just leave it like that. I don't know. But I do like how it draws your eye up. The top of my washer and the dryer are black, so I think that looks good. And then when I bring in my shelves that I'm going to hang right there, I think it'll all come together. So I did pick up this black ribbon from Walmart, and I may try and use this. So watch what I do next. Again, I may or may not use it, so stay tuned. So in case you're wondering what I'm thinking of doing 2 black stripes, one on either side, and then sort of pulling it up just slightly. So I wanted to give my curtains sort of a cute, like cute farmhouse feel. I know I was talking about boo-hooing farmhouse yesterday, but that was specifically just for Christmas. And the laundry room, this is a casual room, and I just thought farmhouse might be kind of cute in here. So anyway, I like this little detail of adding a bow. It just kind of dresses this tablecloth up. I mean, would you ever know that's a tablecloth? I wouldn't if I saw this in someone's house. But anyway, I think it's a cute detail. If you were looking for a more tailored look, you could certainly leave the ribbon off. But if you want a more feminine touch with a little extra detail, this is certainly a cute way to do it. Now, for those of you that sew, you could definitely sew the top of that and then slip it through the curtain rod, and that would be really cute. But this girl isn't domestic that way. So curtain clips is a great way when you want to do a no-sew project. You basically just fold your tablecloth to the size of your window, clip it on, and then you can play with it. So I got 2 rolls, so I just used one for that side and this one will be for the other. And that's how they turned out. And I think it adds a really cute touch in this laundry room. And now I'm going to add my shelves on this wall, so stay tuned for that. All right, next up are these 2 shelves that I picked up from Home Goods. They were $39 a piece. I just got them the other day. And what I liked most about them is they have that shiplap look. Plus, I like the black detail on it with the warm wood. And I thought if I put 2 of them together, I could make it look more substantial. So that's what I'm planning to do. Let's see if this works. So what I want to do is take down the happiness sign, hang those kind of in its place, and then maybe decorate the top. I think it'll be cute. And hopefully it'll tie in with my valance with the little, the black showing. By the way, my walls got scuffed up from that sign, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick using my Sprayway glass cleaner. This stuff works awesome to take marks off the wall, believe it or not. You can see where the nail is. You can see where it was all scuffed up. The wall's still kind of wet from where I sprayed it, but all the marks are gone. And then I need to take that nail out. One hung, another one to go. I just cleaned that, that's why it's wet. It had some like scuff marks on it, so I just cleaned it with the Sprayway, so it's got to dry, so that's why it looks funny if you're like, what's that big blotch right there? Yeah, it was me cleaning. Well, I got them both hung, and I'm happy as can be. I thought those were going to be really hard to hang because they had those really weird hangers on them. Probably the most difficult ones you could use on a back of a picture. And it was just by chance that I got them right. I didn't even measure. So do I wish they were just slightly more together at the top? Yes, but honestly, that's as good as it was going to get. Now I think I'm going to use this happiness sign above there. I just think it'll look cute. And then I'm going to bring in some green accents up top and decorate the top super cute. And then we'll figure out what to do down below. And that's how it looks. I think it looks super cute. I think what I'm going to do now is run down to my storage room and dig through my stuff and see if I can find some cute green accents as well as black. I want to see if I can find some cute items. I definitely want some sort of a rooster up here. And I've got some ferns, so I might add more greenery up there. And then I want to see if I have like a cute sign that can go there. Don't look at the mess, I still have to clean. But I have a little cute family sign there, and I definitely need to take that down to the basement because it's not summer. So I'll be back. So I've taken a laundry basket down to my storage room. I do this often, and I have filled it with items that I think may look good in the laundry room. Here I've added another piece, and now I'm thinking about taking this organic sign up. All right, so as you can see, I've got a wood shelf up here, and I wanted to bring that in over here. So I hung this organic sign. And let me stand back. Haven't accessorized yet. I'm just trying to get the main pieces in first. So I just brought up a big rooster, and I've got some ferns that I picked up from Walmart, and I'm thinking about adding some beneath the rooster's feet. So in Walmart's floral section, they have these ferns, and they're $5. So I'm gonna take the tie wrap off of it, and then I think I'm gonna put the greenery under the rooster's feet. Now I will say they're not as good as Hobby Lobby's ferns, but you know, for $5, not bad. So I'm gonna go put that up under Mr. Rooster's feet. I'm gonna add one more. I just want it to look a little bit more full up there. I have a cute farmhouse sign downstairs in my storage room. I'm gonna run down and get it. It's just white, but I think it would look cute like right there. And then I'll move this kind of over here, catty corner, and let's see what else we do. So this is the farmhouse sign I would like to use, and so I'm gonna try it up there. And that's what it looks like. Now I need to move that over and do something over in this corner. And that's what it looks like. I added a tobacco basket. I actually think I'm gonna add another rooster. I'm obsessed, guys. So I added that galvanized steel bucket that's kind of chippy and farmhouse with some lambs here. And now I'm gonna put a rooster over here. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this sign, but I actually do. And I love this old rusty rooster, very rustic looking, perfect for the laundry room. Now I think I'm gonna try to add this little Tuscan piece right up there, so it's kind of like a grouping of 3. Plus it'll bring in a pop of green. I like it, I think it's cute. So because we have some brown wood there, we've got some brown in the shelves, and we have some brown in the organic sign. I'm gonna jazz this up by adding a little wall embellishment in brown above the happiness sign to dry your eye up. And that's how it looks. I like my eyes to be drawn upward, and we've got the height to do it. So I thought, why not? Plus it ties in that piece over there perfectly. Now I have this piece, and I'm gonna hang it over here, so in case somebody needs to dry a shirt, they can just hang it right on that hook. And that's what it looks like. All right, time to decorate the top of those shelves. So in keeping with the farmhouse theme, I have this little piggy with a black ribbon around its neck, which will tie in perfectly with that. And now I'm gonna add some greenery. So I'm keeping it pretty simple up here. I've got a cute little cow with some greenery on the inside of it, a little like topiary plant, another matching one to the one over there, and a little piggy. And I think that is super cute, and it definitely says farmhouse. You know, I was going to decorate this space for fall, but I told myself you don't need to decorate every single room for every season. So I'm leaving it like everyday decor. Simple and cozy. All right, guys, welcome to my farmhouse laundry room. And I think it turned out pretty darn cute. So, you know, we've got these cords over here. When you walk in, it drives me nuts. So I just put that big plant there, and now you don't even see it unless you walk over there. I brought a little rooster in, and a clock, and a lamp. I brought in this little rooster platter. And then because we have the black and white over there, I decided just to put a pop of black and white in this corner. And then I've got this little Market Fresh organic sign. And then we decorated this wall space and brought a touch of farmhouse in here, as well as over here. And then we decorated the top. We've got a dark rooster over there. Another rooster there, and a plant. It's amazing to me that we've been here almost a year and I barely had this decorated in here. So now I think it looks a lot cozier. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Well, I enjoyed putting this room together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And it just goes to show you that accessorizing goes a long way. You saw how empty and boring it looked, and now it's nice and cozy. So I'm loving it. So glad it's finally done.
I'll be your light.